What I heard, the new TXT song came out called Beautiful Strangers. I heard it's like old school BTS, like Wings era, maybe before. I'm curious about it. So without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. I don't know what to expect. Oh. Oh. What's happening? Oh shit! There's a car chase going on and he got no sparks up. Oh, I'm locked in. Bitch, I got chills, ho! Oh my god. Oh, hey, who the hell is that? Something behind him? What is that? Is that a light or? Oh no, he's just running. He's just running. Okay. Oh. Woo. Oh, hold up. Do it for love. So dramatic, I love it.
We're beautiful strangers. We're beautiful strangers.
The running. Hey, hey, hey. Oh shit. Do it for love. Do it for love. Damn, they got me bouncing like a cockatoo. What the hell? You see me going like that? Like, jeez, the beat go hard. The dramatics of the freaking like the song sounding so. God damn, they got a lot of jump scares in this bitch. It does remind me of like old school BTS, which is my favorite BTS, by the way. The Wings era kind of era. You know what I'm saying? It's such a dramatics of it. The music feels such. It has no exit. It's the artsy like filming of it too. The aggression. I like the trap on it too. Is there an album out with this? Wow. Wow. That's crazy. Big hit. Hype. TXT. Beautiful Strangers. Oh, that's one of the faves for real. That's one of the faves. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.